Season 1. Though Herbie solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules.
Team Jaggy versus Team Binoy.
Out of bounds. Inainay lang kasi pinaka ay basada na court. Jibo for 3. No good. Rebound. Yellow. Forward, dribble the ball. 1 for 3. Rebound Pino. Ito'y steal. Pass the ball. Steal my boy. Boy. Pass to Bitoy. Rebound Mervin. Get away. No good. Run boy. Pass to Pino. Pass to Pino. Rebound. Bitoy. 2 points. Pino for 2. No good. Rebound. Bitoy. Nice pass. Still by Bitoy. Pass to Pino. Pass to Jibo pass to Pino. Borgo. Pass to Jibo. Pass to Soy. No good. Rebound to the jail. Pass to Bitoy. 2 points. Score 4-0 in favor of Biloy Basketball. Hinihinay lang paliyog Pass to Mervin. Still by Pino. Out of bounds. Pass to Patrick for 3. No good. Rebound. Gilo. Pass to Boy. Pass to Mervin. No good. Rebound. Patrick. Two points. Number 19. Pass to Bitoy. 10 to shoot. For 3. No good. Rebound with Bitoy. For 3 Bitoy. Rebound with Mervin for 2 points.
8-2.
Score 8-2 in favor of 50 seconds. Foul. Score. Biloy. Time to shoot. Biloy again. 2 points.
Bitoy.
Jibo for 3. No good. Rebound by Gilo. Pass to Biloy.
Backcourt.
Pass to Jibo. 2 points.
2 points by Jibo of Team Jaggy.
Pass to Bitoy. Pass to Biloy. 2 points. 12-4. Remaining time. 10 minutes. Aaron for 3. No good. Rebound by Mervin. Pass to Boy. Foul. No. 1 point by Mervin.
13-4.
Bucket. Pass to steal by Boy. Foul. Bitoy for 3. No good. Rebound by Zahir. Pass to Bucket. Pino for 3. No good. Rebound by Bitoy. Pass to Biloy. Pass to Boy. Boy for Bitoy. Bitoy for 3. No good. Rebound. Aaron. Mervin. Pass to Binoy. Pito pursuit. 5 points. 2 points. Ken. Jibo. Baken. Oh, Prophet. Bitoy for break. 3,
By Bitoy.
2 rather.
2.
2 points lang. Naka-step. Jibo for break. No good. 2 points by Peter. Team in favor of
6-16.
Binoy basketball. Bitoy for break. No good. Rebound by Mervin. Mervin. 2 points.
Points by Mervin, 18-6.
Two. No good. Rebound by Binoy. Steal. Nag-steal. Steal ni Bitoy. Pass to Mervin. Mervin. Out. Okay. Pass to. Okay. Jibo. Jibo for break. No good. Mervin. Mervin. No good. Out of. Pass to Jibo. Jibo. No good. Rebound by Dillon. Foul. 6 minutes. Bitoy. Borgo, steal the ball. Borgo. Pass to Jibo. Jibo. 2 points.
Basket by Jibo.
Point by. By the ball. Pass to
8-17.
Mervin. 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 Maybe want to control over there. Rebound to Joe. Jello. Foul. Foul. Number. No good. Rebound by Taker. Pass to Jibo. Steal. Jello. Out of bounds. 2 points.
Basket 10-19.
Pass to Mervin. Mervin for 2.
For 2, 21-10.
Makes up 5 minutes. Mervin for 3. No good. Rebound. Error. Pass to Jibo. Foul. Pass to Patrick. Patrick. Foul. No good. Mervin. Foul. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. 1 point. 2 point play by Mervin.
3-23-10.
Okay. Then to shoot. 5. No good. Rebound by Patrick. Foul. Sukalo. No good. 7 on the line. Number. Pass to Mervin. Time to shoot. For 3. No good. Rebound, Mervin. Pass to Point. Point. Pass to Soy. Jibo. Pass to Borgo. Pass to Pito. 2 points. What size is this one? Bitoy. Jibo. No good. Rebound Bitoy. Pass to steal by Patrick. Patrick. 2 points. No good. Rebound by Jello. Bitoy. Mervin. 2 points.
Point.
Time to shoot. No good. Rebound by Mervin. Steal by Borgo. Borgo. Pass to Patrick. Foul with the basket. 1 point.
3-point play.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Ready to shoot? High. 2 points by Zero. Number 10. Borgo. Pass to Paquet. Paquet. Last 1 minute. Thanks to shoot. No good. Rebound by Patrick. No good. 50 seconds. Jibo. Rebound by Borgo. 2 points. 40 seconds. 30. 25. 20. Let's shoot. 5. 3.
3 points.
Time to shoot. 10 seconds. 5.
End of the first quarter.
And for the first quarter,
34.
score 22-34 in favor of Beloy Basketball.